Hello, and welcome to this video showcase of RTI's medical demo. It demonstrates how RTI Connext can be used to enable intelligent surgery and patient monitoring in a connected operating room. This diagram presents a complete overview of the demonstration. First, we have a patient monitor application that publishes patient data. The Unity simulation shows a simulated digital twin of a surgical robotic arm. This can be controlled by an iPad or with NVIDIA HoloScan's body pose detection based on the input from a webcam. Lastly, the Orchestrator monitors the status of the various devices in the system. Let's take a closer look at some of the demo applications. On the bottom left is our patient monitor. This securely publishes patient vital signs onto the Connext databus. Above it, we see the surgical Orchestrator. It provides information to the hospital about the system's health, showing simulated robot telemetry and the status and uptime of all the various demo components. The right side of the Orchestrator also shows DDS security logs from the various applications. Both the patient monitor and Orchestrator use Qt for the user interface. Lastly, we see the Unity simulation of our surgical robot. These three applications were developed in collaboration with our partner, ICS. NVIDIA HoloScan's body pose estimation algorithm can also be used to control the digital twin. A webcam connected to a Raspberry Pi publishes a live video feed using the RTI Connext GStreamer plugin. The HoloScan application on the left subscribes to the video feed overlaying a skeletal body pose. The best part, all of this happens in real time. The HoloScan application then publishes the angles it detects for the Unity-based digital twin to follow, which you can see happening on the right. Finally, the iPad is connected to a web app which is used to control the digital twin. This shows how Connext can be used with web and cloud technologies. The joystick movements are also shown on the Orchestrator, and patient data from the monitor is also shown on the iPad. In the background, you can see Admin Console being used. Today, Next Gen MedTech runs on intelligent connected data powered by RTI Connext.